What's up, everybody? SysAdmin Sean here, and I wanted to do a channel update video. So, as you might have noticed, I was recently approved for monetization. I mentioned it kind of in a post comment. I've been kind of dabbling back and forth with what I wanted to do as far as monetization is concerned. Now, I don't have enough of the level for ads, so if you see ads, I'm not getting any money off of that yet. I haven't gotten to that level of monetization. But you'll notice that there's a super thanks button. So if you really enjoy the content you're seeing and the stuff I'm covering, a super thanks is a great way to support the channel. Initially, I was thinking about standing up membership levels that people could sign up for, kind of like Twitch subscriptions, things like that, and then release some special content to those users first, or only to those users. And I kind of thought that was sort of crappy. I wasn't really feeling that. So I decided I was going to not do the memberships. Everyone gets all the content. And if you like what you see and you want to support the channel, use that super thanks button. This also means that basically I have removed Patreon tiers. I might completely remove the Patreon page until I kind of decide I need it again. I don't really feel like I need it. I can kind of do everything within YouTube, and I sort of like keeping everything in one tool if at all possible because it's easier to manage. So yeah, that's that. Hopefully we'll get to the next level sooner rather than later. I can generate some revenue off of ads and help make the data center bigger, show off more products, get some funding to cover, other software and features and things that I can show off without having to spend too much of my own money, which it takes a lot to pay for a lot of these enterprise grade products. I can usually get some stuff for free. Big thanks to a lot of my support from external vendors that have been like, yeah, we'll totally help you out. You can have a lab license for a little bit to show off on YouTube. All that to say, that's what's happening with the channel. Because that's happening with the channel, I'm adding an additional piece of content every month. There will be a podcast showing up at the end of this month where I interview other IT professionals who I've worked with or I know, either professionally or personally, in some capacity, and kind of get their point of view on what their growth was like in IT. Not so much like, oh, let's talk about the hot topics in IT, though we do bring some of those up. It's more about letting you all as viewers kind of see other people's development path in IT, because a lot of people go, oh, I want to be a cybersecurity person. And a lot of times people that are in cybersecurity that I know didn't start out in cybersecurity. That's not saying you can't start out in cybersecurity, but a lot of folks have built up a background knowledge that you don't get if you jump right into the field you want to start in. And you'll get to see that. And I hope it's entertaining. I hope you like it. It is in podcast format, so there won't be any video. You'll just listen if you want to. And if it seems to do pretty well, I might release it on other podcast mediums. But again, that's kind of like the Patreon thing. It's hard to keep up with a lot of different platforms at once. I'm not good at that. So big thanks to everybody for watching up to this point. You're the reason it's possible that I can even turn on monetization. So thanks a lot for that. And we'll see you in the next video.